Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Nickelodeon app on your Samsung Smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and press the home button on your remote to access the Smart Hub. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section and select the App Store. Step 3. In the search bar, type Nickelodeon and select the official Nickelodeon app from the results. Step 4. Click Install or Download to add the Nickelodeon app to your smart TV. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, open the Nickelodeon app from your app list. Step 6. On the welcome screen, select Sign In or activate your device. Step 7. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible. Step 8. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to nick.com, activate. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV, then select your TV provider and log in with your credentials. Once verified, your Samsung Smart TV will refresh and the Nickelodeon app will be activated. You can now watch all your favorite Nickelodeon shows and cartoons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.